Nova sezona v seriji SloXcup. Začenjamo znova po krajšem premoru v Vrtojbi in z nami na štartnem prostoru Yana Belomojna.
Dobar dan. Let's go and check the course.
Po prvem vzponu sledi tale gozdni odsek, singli, sigurno težko prehitevati. Yana, so here we are in the woods with a little drop. What do you do here? Jump far or jump a little?
Here I'm jumping, of course. You can roll as well, but yeah, each jump is not really special. But be careful because there was really steep landing, so you better not jump too far.
Yana, here's another funny drop. With elements like this, how difficult is the track? 1 to 10.
It's not so difficult really if you know how to play with your bike. You just need to make your bike really light, so you just really roll this section.
So Yana, we went on the open section. You think it's a problem if it's windy?
Of course it was more difficult, but where you have a really open place, it's nice to battle.
And you're not a big heavyweight rider for the wind.
Yeah, but just try to stay on the wheel if you're not on the first position.
So there's lots of single track climbs, some steep, some less steep. Which is the toughest climb for you on the course?
This one is really steep, but I really like it. But on this lap you have a lot of small and shorter, longer and shorter climbs. So yeah, everything is really nice for me.
And do you use your dropper a lot on the course?
Few sections, yes, but I say it was more classic course. But of course on the descent you feel more safely and you feel that you control your bike really nice, so I use it.
Še ena novost na XCO Vrtojba, nov ciljni prostor na travniku, pa Yana ima še nekaj za povedati.
Se vidimo na XCO Vrtojba.